This is a tutorial on how to take a screenshot using Windows 10 Snipping Tool. First, you can find the Snipping Tool by searching for it in the bottom left-hand part of your screen. To begin, simply click on the New button and drag your mouse over whatever content you would like to capture. If you would simply like a copy of your image, you can select Edit and then Copy. If you'd prefer to save your image, you can select File, Save As. From here, you can choose to mark up your image by using the Pen tool. It has several colors available, and so if you'd like to make some markings on your image, you're able to do so using the pen. Or you can use the highlighter tool to highlight any text that you might feel is relevant. If you need to change any of these markups that you've made, you're able to do so by using the eraser tool. If you need to make additional edits to your image, you're able to do so by opening up the capture in Paint 3D. The Snipping tool is an easy-to-use but effective tool for capturing screenshots to build e-learning materials.